Okay. Is this working? Nice. Alright. Here we are. Let's see here. Where is... There it is. So this is what we got. I think it needs some work. Yeah. So I kind of want to break these buttons out to the bottom. Also, when we remove them, they fade away and then they don't actually go away. So one of the things we got going on then, gotta turn this down a touch. So we have a mix of things going on here. Let's see, these are all just functionalities. We're generating the templates of the responses in JavaScript. We're also using views, like for example here. Whoa, not that. And I kind of want to make this more consistent, so I'm thinking of using we use like an Ajax method, right? So we can have a standardized template for our list and our list to select them from. Because right now we're kind of having functionality where we're setting a display for the page load, and then we're also setting displays and functionalities for interacting with it. And I'm thinking it could just be in one place. Because we're going to have this wonkiness going on here. We have item status, and it could be 2, 1, or nothing. If it's nothing, then it's basically just added. If it's 1, we picked it up, and 2, it's out of stock or something like that, right? So we weren't able to get it, but we still need it, so we leave it on the list. So that's kind of where we're at with this, and I'm trying to think. Yeah, and we have this kind of logic here where we have to check if it has the class. So we need to clear the classes because once we add them, they override. You can't override. So if it's out of stock, we set warning. If we ended up actually being able to get it, because whatever, it still shows warning. So we need to fix that. And one of the big things is the fact that the stuff doesn't actually go away. So like we clicked remove for this one, so nothing happened. It's gone. Remove it, fades away, doesn't actually go away, but it's actually gone. And this also doesn't, see how this is disabled? We can't add it again, but if we refresh, it doesn't really show that we already have it. And it just errors, and then it doesn't do anything. So we need to fix that. So that's kind of a thing. Wait a minute. I'll do that. So we got a couple things to fix. This is pretty much it here. We're putting a ID on each of the elements so that we can select them. And then we're doing a anonymous function and basically function chaining to say hide it. But it's not working. I'm not exactly sure why that is. Typically that's a pretty easy process. So that's something that we have to work on then. So when we look at our product listing, so we have our department listing here. I think this is fine. That's being displayed here. We need a way to know if the item's already in a list, so we don't show it again. The problem is, we have these queries here. So this is our item. So we want to be able to show the departments, and we want to be able to show which ones actually have products associated to them, right? But we also need to sort it, so that's where we broke this view out, which is this one. And we have some other views. What do we have? We have our list. Which is actually this right here. So this is what we got, and we have the item status. this is our list table ID. I think what we could do to fix this one, I think we need to know, is it in the list table? And if it is, we can already set this button to disabled right off the bat, right? So let's see then, how do we want to handle that? We could include... What could we include? We could include the product ID. That should be pretty easy and not break anything, right? I feel like we need to know, cause see in that, let's see here. Let's see, add products. Yeah, this guy here. So we select from products. We get the department filter because that's our sidebar to filter on. The products is what we display. We need to pass down. We need to pass down. Let's see here. How do we want to do this? We'll do something good. Products. So if we go to our views, which are here, we're pumping out products here in JSON. And then the JavaScript is parsing that and creating a display. So we could add it to products. We could do something like in list. What are we looking at here? Let's go back. Not API. Is it home? Products view. See, products view, this guy. What are we getting? We're getting this guy. Okay, let's view it. We could do... We could say... Man, I don't want to do all these joins though. We could do something like... I mean... Let's play with this query here. Let's just borrow this so we don't have to keep updating a view. Let's go down here. So if we run that, so let's say... Can we do... another join? Let's join list. Products table ID on list. Oh, escape list. Sometimes I feel like I'm a silhouette, like my imitation leads me towards regret. Sometimes I wish that we had never met. I'm faking every step, stealing all the breath out of my lungs. Got me in the dark, speaking in tongues. Tell me when did this stop? Unknown column products. Oh, product. I want to make this Boolean. I think this will work. If it's in the list, it's going to have an ID. Okay. I want to make it Boolean though. Can we... Let me see here. What is the syntax to do that? So we can do an if. So what we should be able to do then, is we should be able to say if the condition, so if oh my god. So if it's not null, it's true, or it's false. Excellent. So I like it. I think this is what we need. So let's go back to, I don't know where the heck that view went. Products view? Yeah. Let's go there. And let's update this. So let's drop it, re-add it. Then, if we go to our page, hold on. Sure, let's do that. Okay, let's go back to this guy. And then if we, is it add products out this guy? If we do an inspect, and then we refresh this, we should be able to call, let's do products. Yeah, there it is. So we should see that as part of our listing, in list. Perfect. However, it's not truly Boolean, it's coming out as a string. But we can deal with that. Okay, good. So now we have that, now we know. So let's go back to our files. Let's clean this up. Let's just close all. Hey, wait a minute. I don't keep this one. Close all to the left. Sure. Oh my god, just close stuff. Whatever. Okay, let's go to products. We need to do a statement in here. Can we do... What's the context that we're in? We render products. Nor HTML is equal to. Okay, so this is happening within here. We're doing the join. I think we can do Tenary in here, so let's try that then.
I'm a puppet, I'm a cash cow. I'm the fastest growing bitch on all your apps now. You are tired of me cause I'm on your ass now. You are mad at me cause I am all they slap now. I can nap now. Lots of people that were sleeping say I rap now. Lots of people's hopes and dreams are finally trash now. Lots of people say they met me in the past now. I done took the spotlight and made them black out. I done eat the whole pussy, call me Smash now. I'll be fucking till bitches pass out.
He doesn't seem happy about this.
I'm finna cash out. Yeah, ay, how much you lose me? Now that my pocket's full, how my demons look.
So if it's in a list, see what that does. What does that look like? Did it break? Where the heck did it go? Oh. Maybe I got it in mobile view. We still have products, so I think it's still working. Didn't break. No, it broke. Okay. Great. Let me like put this crooked so I can come back to it easily. This is kind of, we're breaking the chain here. Let's see here. Maybe. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Here's what we can do. We could do... how do we want to handle this? See, this is the question. Do we just do this in JavaScript? Because we have like two logics going on. It's like if we want to change the design template, we have to do this in a couple different places. That's what I'm thinking. Do we bother with this? We need to pick how, like, where do we do it? Server side and client side, or both? I guess for playing around, this is fine. Maybe we can... Can we do Tenary in a bracket? Let's see here. Filter map. So we need to do object map. Object map. Tenary. Tenary operator inside map. That's exactly what I need to know. Let's see. Map, key, index. Where's the function? List state items map, index name. I see. I see. It's one or the other. It's not, it's more like in a block. Crap. Includes won't work in Edge. Great. See, now that's a dang thing about freaking JavaScript and all this stuff. It works see, here's the thing. I used to love Firefox. I used it forever. It was great. The dev tools were fantastic, especially the developer edition, of course. You can edit and resend XHR. It was wonderful. But here's the problem. It was very forgiving. So what that means is like you could do, I don't know, whatever web page design, and it'd look great. You look at it in Chrome, most of the time, look great. And then you pop open Safari and everything is jacked up, i.e. just nothing worked. So I had a hard time developing in Firefox, and the fact that it was very forgiving and everything looked great. And then you look in Chrome desktop, perfect. Chrome mobile, everything is jacked. I was just like, oh my god. So that's web development though. You got to test everything everywhere if you want it to work. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. I don't want to hear any of this. Hey, that's a good one. We're gonna listen to that. Okay, so then we had to do this in a block. So what we could do... We might change the structure a little bit here. Includes... So item state map, 2 arguments, anonymous function. They are using a way different setup than this. Alright. We have our filter though, so we know that's gonna work now. Is this saved? Let's see here. Where the heck is it? There it is. That's right, I put it halfway. So it looks good now. Wonderful. It doesn't... I really want to fix this though too. This is like... Let's look at that. Is it main list? Let's just do... So we have a div, let's make another div. Let's do a... I don't know. Let's do a row. Oh, right. And then let's do another div. Let's see what that does for us. Does that break this up a little bit? It's better. That's not really what I was going for though. Oh, god dang it. Let's see here. So we have a row, oh, it's a flex box. You know, Bootstrap has clear fix. Okay. Let's just do the classic BR. We need to look at this a little bit better. What do we got going on here? We have... God dang it. No. Frickin' Windows snap. Where the heck did it go? Where'd my devs tools go? Oh god, we have a bunch of these. Alright, let's just get rid of all of them. I don't know which one it is. This one. Okay. Here we are. So we have our LI, we have our image, we have our flex grow, and we have our clear fix. I don't think we need this flex grow. I'd really like these to stack. We just do a column, and then instead of a clear fix, we do a call. Then we would need to edit no, this guy. Then what we would need to do is a class, wrap it in a row, right? Let's give it a LG12. So where did our image go, though? Oh. We kind of jacked this up. What the crap? What happened? How did... Alright, let's start fresh. Let's go back to this guy. Let's, there's our li, we have our image. Let's do a div. Let's do a row. No, not there. Do a row here. Close that off. So the flex row, let's make this a row. No, not a row. We'll make that a call, and we'll do another div. Make this a call. And then we are gonna need two of these, right? We have a div, we have a row. LBR. We're calling. We need to close that here. We have a row, we have a column, we have two divs. So this is gonna do that, these are gonna do that. Let's see what that does for us. Well, that. It's kind of wrapping. I don't really like the wrapping. I feel like you know what we should do? We should put this in a view so that we can work with this properly. Let's do that. Let's make a view, let's call it... What is this? What context are we in right now? Okay. Go back to main list. Let's yank all this out of here. Yeah, there we go. Now we can look at it like this. And we can take and replace every occurrence of this with traditional quote. Good. You can actually kind of see what the heck we got going on here. Then... Oh, you know what though? We're gonna have to index our variables. Yeah. I think it's gonna be better though. Let's we'll call it I don't know. We'll just call it temp for now. And it'll be equal to, let's take all this, move it down here, get rid of all that. What do we need? Let's call it, let's testing. Okay. Oh, damn it. How'd that happen? Okay, and then we'll put test it in here, we'll pass it down. And we need to add this guy in here with resulting value. Okay. So basically everything in here should be the same. So what we can do basically this should work, right? We don't care about the indexing. Where else? Here. Should work. Right? Did we miss anything? Yeah, right here. So that one. Okay. Oh, and here. Boy, stuff is everywhere. How about that? Alright, let's see if it works. Here. Oh, it's broke. Okay. Let's see here. This one? Development? Mm-hmm. What's the problem? Item status class. Dang, we almost got it one shot. Item status class. Item what the heck is this? Item status class. We're including it. Should be there. Dun, 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 dun. Everything else looks good though. Yeah, it's freaking there. Yeah. Why isn't that there? What line was that? Line 1. Why is that not there? Dun, dun, dun. What is the deal? In every case, it should either be null. Ew, maybe it can't be null. Let's try that. Well, that wouldn't it either. Undefined variable. Well then let's take a look-see. Let's see what, no, we don't need to die. We just need to not do that for a second. I had a global function for this I usually create in my projects. Makes this easier. Item status class. Boom, there it is. So, why is it proclaiming it's not here? Everything else is here. I forget how to dump out the arguments in a view. It's literally that first line. So let's just get rid of it for a second and see. Does everything appear? No! Okay, now it's not happy with list items. Okay, so we have other issues. So like if we look at call products, we have department data. So in You know, actually, I wonder... Can we just send testing? I don't know if it's gonna like that. No. Interesting. It explodes them out into... Okay. Sick. Well, very good. So let's work on our display then. Let's see here. Alright, we got a row, we got a row. We have a column. Really? I'm fine with... Oh man. Let's set this back to production because things load a little bit quicker. Need to... What was it before? Yeah, it was the image. We have a div and a flex grow. And that wrapped after the image. What we want... No, I don't want to see the source. I want to see this guy. Image is fine. Flex grow, excellent. Row, see this is where I want it to break. New line. And that's where I figured... I need to get this in a new line. That's usually where a clear fix comes in. This is not doing it. Is it display flexbox clear? What if we... No. The flex grow should actually be... What do we want to do about that? Oh. Or spacing back. We could do... We could do... What are we going to do here? If we do a div class, let's just try something. Let's do a div class, let's do a row. Right? Set up a little structure here. Call. Throw our image in there. Let's make that 11. Then let's throw this stuff in there. Right? We'll rip off our row. Yank our buttons out of there. Right? So this will be on the next line. And we don't care about any of this. Let's make this a, just a call. I don't care. What's that do for us? Oh, because we have flex. Jeez. It's kind of what we were looking for. Then we also need to, because this is our breakpoints here. We just do... No, can't. What's a small do for us? Way too much. Way too little. So what's happening here? Where's our breakpoint? SM4 is too much. 1? It's a bit small. Maybe 2? Or image is fixed. Kind of digging that. So 1 and 11. It's pretty much just gonna be on the phone anyway. Then we could do a, what is the column offset? I always forget. Let's look at the docs. Column offset V5. This is all flex. Offset classes. Oh, it's all breakpoints. What does this look like? That's fine. I'm pretty much okay with that. It's just offset. You want offset small 4. Way too much. 1. Okay. That's not too bad, huh? So then in mobile, like mobile. Oh my god. It was Flexbox. Wow. We fixed it. This is probably broken though. No? Sick. So then if we take it out of mobile, that's still fine. we're not really gonna look at it like this, probably. You know what? This is okay. I would like to center out. This mic stand is in my way. Let's do display flex, justify, content center, align items center. Nice. I like that. I would rather this be one column and these be two split columns stacked. But to be honest with you, this actually looks pretty good. Although... I do kind of like the left alignment. You know what, to be honest with you, I'm okay with that. I think that looks pretty good. So let's go back here now. And if we put this guy in mobile... I'm actually fine with all this. I just want to figure out the JavaScript for this guy. So how we can split that. So that these are handled. Because we already have the field for it now. Okay. Let's move that over there. Max this guy out. And then let's look at our JS for this. Because we have the info now. We can actually work on this. So what we need to do... feel like what if it's, what was the docs on this? Let's go back. Let's see, Teneri map. Teneri operator inside map. Yeah, let's see here. What do we have for this? It's in brackets. Although This is messy as hell. I don't like this. Let's see if it works though. It could be either this or this. Let's see something here. I don't know if this is gonna work. Let's go back a bit. I think we could do this better. Oops.
Nothing could phase us again, but we couldn't see through the haze, so we burned down, and my heart was wrapped in your chains. No, nothing could phase us again, but we couldn't see through the hate, so we burned down again.
Oh, my settings. Do that, do that. Yep. Cool. Oh, I see. Okay. So then we should be able to do this.
Ashes inside of my lungs.
Something like this.
I couldn't beg for your love.
Okay. Let's see if she works.
It was for you on my tongue.
I feel like everything's in the list, so it's not exactly working, right? Is everything in the list? Yeah, all the stuff is there. Let's put this back in mobile view. Okay. So that did not exactly work. It's not really Boolean. What we need to... because I think it's coming over as a string. Let's try that. No. We could do typecasting, right? So we can cast it. As such. It's gonna be one or the other. Let's see now. What do we get? Maybe our logic is inversed. Let's just say. Hey, there we go. Yeah, our logic was backwards. Okay, good. So now we can't add anything. It already exists. Good. So that means, so if we get rid of the plates... Oh. It still doesn't show. What's our quarry look like, though? Okay. Let's just do that. If it's false, it's disabled. No. If it's in the list, it's disabled. Interesting. Plates aren't here anymore. Why is this disabled? Okay. Let's breakpoint. Where's the script? Well, we already know it's the first result. I want to know, what does this equate to? Saying it's true, which I mean it's disabled. The value is in list is false. It's 0. Ay. Okay. And the next one is 1, which according to this is saying it's true. So they're all true. Okay, so we need to cast it as a... Okay. I think we can do this better. We could do parse int, then boolean. Okay, let's... Is this updated? Yes. So now, let's see what we get for that. Get rid of that. Get, no. That in there. We get false. Is it false though? I think that's right. That's right. Okay. What do we want here? Sure. What am I looking for? Oh, right. So it's a breakpoint. Hey, look at that. It's messy. What we should do... Of stock, good. We actually got it. Oh wait, never mind, I don't want it. Look at that, isn't that great? And then if we look here, it shows up again. It's kind of messy, but it's working. And honestly, we're probably not gonna use a lot of this stuff. We should test this out and see how well it actually works on the real phone. So let's do that. Where the heck is my IP? I need command prompt. This look like PowerShell. $9.17. And I think we're binded on port 80. Hey, look at that. Okay. Make sure it's working. So we got the folders. There it is. Then we got... the Duncan was out of stock. That sucks. Look at that. We do need to get that to update though. I think that'd be nice. Let's remove the plates. Plates are there. Plates are gone. Then let's do... what was it? Add products? That was it. No dark mode. Okay, so we can see stuff is disabled. Add the plates back. Very nice. Sick. We need to make a nav bar so we don't have to keep typing this stuff though. Is the filtering still working? Nice, it is. Everything? Yep. So if we just say plates, sick, it works nicely. I would like to get this a bit more live. Very cool. I think I'm happy with this so far. It's good progress. That looks so much better. I might do different classes for maybe I'd like to add like a strikeout. Okay. I like it. I like it. Let's back up our database schema. Oh my god. Pipe at the tail, +2 to get around compatibility issues, and then it's the list SQL. And then we need the password. This is only local anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Well, I don't want to
Don't put your blame on me.
Boom, there's that. We'll exit, and then we'll say docker cp list db1.
I work hard every motherfucking day. I work hard.
We want to put it in db. Nice. We also need to update our get ignore. Oh, you know why that was an issue last time? Because I had accidentally already committed.
Roll up to the spot, feeling real good. Think you gon' talk shit, you better not, my homies real hood.
Debug bar.
Why you do that? I don't know. Yeah, they used to be like, who that? I don't know. Now they know my name wherever I go. Used to think that's what I wanted, but now
I think that's fine, right?
no, I can't fuck with that. Nuck if you bucking back.
Boom. Our stuff is gone. Cool. I like it.
Just as quick as you rise, just as quick as you could fall. Oh, no,
Cool.
no, I can't fuck with that at all.
Alright, we made quite a bit of changes. So I'm gonna make note of that. So we moved this to its own view. We'll probably put this in another folder to clean that up. I like that much better. We updated some of the SQL. There's some more logic in there. We have 2 left joins to make the work. Okay. It's pretty good. Pretty good. I think I'm gonna step away, grab myself a drink and stuff, and then we'll probably come back, maybe we'll work on this a little bit more. It's only 12. It's not too late.
Daddy issues for days and days, but today she ain't got shit to
So, yeah, I think we're gonna do that.